Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment so the update won't fail. First, back up the entire game folder and any custom assets. This preserves progress if you need to roll back. Once done, log into the Hshop admin panel using your account and complete 2FA because access controls prevent corrupt updates. Make sure your network stability and free disk space exceed needed minimums. This reduces mid-update interruptions and speeds validation. Now you apply the update files and run migrations, following the precise order to avoid conflicts. Begin by downloading the official patch and verifying its checksum or signature so you don't install tampered files. Then put the game into maintenance, upload patches via the admin updater or SFTP, and run pre-update scripts. You should execute database migrations stepwise, monitor server logs, and console output for dependency or schema errors, so you can stop and fix issues early. Finish the process by validating the update and restoring normal operations. Once migrations and file installs complete, exit maintenance, restart game services and flush caches and any CD and edge caches so players get fresh assets. Then run smoke tests. Log in, perform basic gameplay loops, check transactions and leaderboards to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, restore the backup immediately, gather error logs and the patch ID, and contact support. This lets you revert fast and provide actionable details for a fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.